Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Halloween bakeware is probably one of the most essential tools for transforming your kitchen into a haunted haven, allowing you to effortlessly craft spooky treats from ghost cookies to pumpkin cakes and monster brownies, ensuring your festive confections are not only delicious but also visually spectacular for any ghoulish gathering or trick-or-treat celebration, making every bite a delightful fright. Number 5. HUAKENER 6-Cavity Mini Fluted Cake Pan. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade silicone, this pan is BPA-free and eco-friendly. It ensures your baking is safe and healthy for everyone to enjoy. Designed for ultimate convenience, it withstands temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. You can safely use it in your microwave, oven, refrigerator, and even the dishwasher for easy cleanup. Unleash your creativity with this versatile mold. It's perfect for making cupcakes, muffins, brownies, cheesecakes, and even festive mini pumpkin cakes. Featuring a nonstick surface, it ensures your creations pop out easily with clear details every time. Its high toughness means it's durable, reusable, and simple to clean. With its 6-cavity design, you can efficiently bake multiple mini treats at once. This smart design saves you time and makes your baking experience much easier. Making homemade desserts is a healthy and meaningful activity. This silicone mold is an excellent helper for creating delicious food and makes a thoughtful gift for loved ones. What we like. This pan is perfect for creating adorable individual portions. Its non-stick silicone ensures easy release and quick cleanup every time. If you love making charming mini cakes, muffins, or individual desserts, this is your go-to for effortless and fun baking. What people say. Number 4. Home Beets 4PC, Ovalo Gratin Baking Dishes, Matte Black. Discover the ultimate kitchen essential. These dishes are perfect for everything from savory casseroles and gratins to sweet cobblers and banana splits. They handle all your favorite recipes with ease. Crafted from high-quality ceramic, they are built to last. You can safely use them in the oven or microwave, and their chip-resistant, dishwasher-safe design makes cleanup a breeze. Plus, their elegant matte black finish complements any kitchen decor. Experience superior cooking results compared to traditional pans. Their non-stick surface ensures food releases easily, enhancing both taste and presentation. Enjoy a smoother cooking and serving experience every time. Thoughtfully designed with small, integrated handles, they offer a secure grip. This makes it simple and safe to transport your culinary creations from oven to table. Serve your guests with confidence and style. Looking for a practical and thoughtful present? These reusable baking dishes make an excellent gift for holidays, housewarmings, or any special occasion. Share the joy of effortless cooking with friends and family. What we like. These elegant ceramic dishes are designed for sophisticated individual servings. Their matte black finish adds a touch of modern class to any table presentation. If you're hosting a dinner party and want to impress guests with perfectly portioned and beautifully presented dishes, these are an excellent choice. What people say. No source reviews provided. Unable to extract points due to empty source data. Number 3. Sakolla Large Skull Silicone Molds for Halloween Baking and Crafts. Introducing the Sakolla Large Skull Silicone Molds. These unique pans are perfect for adding a spooky touch to your Halloween treats. Create impressive cakes and chocolates with ease. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade silicone, these molds pass the pinch test for safety. They offer easy release and are incredibly simple to clean, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Designed for extreme temperatures, they can withstand -40 to +446 degrees Fahrenheit. You can safely use them in the oven, freezer, microwave, and even the dishwasher for ultimate convenience. Explore 6 distinct Halloween-themed skull designs, including Wizard, Pirate, and Primal. These molds allow you to bake cakes and treats with fabulous flavors and fun, unique shapes perfect for any party. Each large cavity measures about 3.2 inches, creating substantial and solid results. Once removed, they hold their shape beautifully, and can even be customized with color mist for a truly realistic look. Beyond culinary delights, these versatile molds are excellent for various DIY projects. Use them for children's clay crafts, making hot chocolate bombs, resin art, or handmade soaps. The creative possibilities are endless. What we like. Get ready to spook your guests with this unique large skull mold. Made from flexible, food-grade silicone, it's perfect for cakes, chocolates, or even creative crafts. If you're planning a Halloween bash and want truly memorable and themed treats, this mold will be a showstopper. What people say. Number 2. Sakolla 3-tier mini cake molds. These mini 3-tier cake molds are crafted from food-grade, BPA-free silicone. They offer excellent non-stick performance and are incredibly easy to clean, making them a perfect addition to your kitchen. Each set includes 2 molds, allowing you to bake up to 12 mini cakes simultaneously. Each individual cake is approximately the size of 2 standard cupcakes, perfect for individual servings. These versatile molds can withstand temperatures from -104 to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. This means they are safe for oven baking, microwave heating, and even freezer storage. Use them to create a variety of desserts like birthday cakes, mousses, or cupcakes. They are ideal for decorating any special occasion, from anniversaries to baby showers. While flexible, it's recommended to spray a little butter and place them on a cookie sheet before filling. This ensures easy handling and perfect demolding results every time. What we like. Create stunning miniature tiered cakes with this innovative mold. Its flexible silicone material ensures easy demolding for delicate and intricate designs. If you're celebrating a special occasion and want to serve elegant, individual desserts that truly stand out, this mold is a must-have. What people say. Number 1. Elbee Home 8-piece Nonstick Aluminized Steel, Space-Saving Baking Set. Discover the ultimate baking solution for your kitchen. This innovative 8-piece set provides everything you need, all designed to save valuable space. It's the perfect addition to any home. It includes a large roasting pan, an 8-inch square cake tin, a small oven tray, and 2 muffin pans. You also get 2 8-inch round cake tins and another large oven tray, covering all your baking needs. Kickstart your baking aspirations with this comprehensive, all-in-one set. You'll never have to hunt for missing baking pans again, because all the pieces fit neatly into one compact box for easy storage. All items in this set are crafted from durable aluminum-coated carbon steel. They are 100% dishwasher safe, completely non-stick, and rust-resistant, safe up to 420 degrees Fahrenheit. This set makes an ideal present for a young couple's wedding registry or anyone moving into a new apartment or home. It's truly perfect for anybody who has a passion for baking, making holidays brighter. What we like. This comprehensive 8-piece set provides all the essentials for any baking enthusiast. Its clever design allows all pieces to nest perfectly, saving valuable cabinet space. If you're a new baker or need to upgrade your entire collection efficiently, this set offers incredible value and convenience. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.